Welcome guys to the video. This is actually our first ever turkey video we had made. It has been an experience this year. We're kind of new to turkey hunting with cameras and stuff like that, but we're going to keep trying to get there in the distance in the future for you guys. So stay tuned for the video. I hope you guys enjoy. We have two misses on video. Me, one with the bow, and then his pap, one with the gun. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, but we're going to try to get more for you guys sooner. And just keep getting, during the summer, working on our filming, our editing, and stuff like that for you guys. And hopefully some amazing deer videos are going to come up for you guys this year. Hopefully opening day, a couple weeks into the season, we can get an early buck, early doe. Try to take some does down, bucks down early this year. We have a couple guys that are going to try to do that for you guys. So going to get some amazing footage for you guys for this deer season. But stay tuned for this turkey video, and there's going to be plenty more to come in the future. So see you guys, and enjoy the video.
This video is brought to you by Maritime Madness, Triple Point Outdoors, Painted Arrow Outdoors, Elevate Fly Fishing, Kistler, True Dave, New View Hunting, Browning Trail Cameras, Grow Scale Wind. Be sure to check out all their amazing products.
Anyway, I knew he was going to come. After a while, I looked out there between these two trees about 40-some yards, and I see a red head sticking up. Then he went behind the tree. I went to move the gun just a hair, and this tree's not as wide as I thought it was, and he must have seen me, or he heard me take the safe off or something. He putted and started down over the hill, and I shot him. I should have never shot. A big turkey. Story, rookie mistake. Should have never shot. That's all I can say.
You want to see the video?
First one I've missed in a long time.
I was going to ask you that. finishing blow. Oh, guys. Got him. Destroyed him. Big old beard. Oh, wow. I'm sitting there recording deer, and here he come. 6 of them. I was just praying to God it was a Tom, not a Jake. Praying to God. Got lucky. There's my dad. Whew. Number 27 of the year. Wow, nice one too. Let's see if we can find this other side.
This is my decoy spread after the turkeys got done with it. They knocked him over sideways. Didn't do anything to her. There was one of them, screwed her for about 15 minutes. It's a wonder she's not all covered in funny stuff.
What do you mean by that?
She's all knocked over sideways. I got tired of looking at them beat up the decoys, so made sure they didn't all get away.
Alright guys, it's Braden with Mullet Outdoors here, and I'm here to talk to you guys about my bow hunting turkey experiences this year. I was fortunate enough to get 2 birds down this year with the bow, 2 amazing encounters, and I've had a lot more with the bow this year. But I was fortunate enough to get 2 down this year, and they were just 2 miracles that had happened, which I got very lucky on. The first one, my first ever turkey with a bow, we went out before school, me and my buddy Nate, and we were sitting there, and it was really silent the first couple minutes, and then they just started hammering in the tree. So we just tried to make a move on them. We got pretty much underneath them. They flew down probably 75 yards, and we started calling a little bit, and they worked their way in. And I was lucky enough to take one at 42 yards because he started putting and walking away. But I was lucky enough to get that bird before school, and then that was it with me and Nate for the season. But I went out on a little farm that we had permission on, and I was fortunate enough to get another one the last day of turkey season, and it just went, I mean, perfect. I was in there early in the morning, and 2 birds flew down with me there, and I just drew back, and I didn't have to call or anything. I mean, they came perfectly in. And then what happened was my arrow actually was off the rest when I drew back, so I had to let in, and then they went off in the wood line. So I just slowly walked up, and then I started making a couple little calls, and then the one gobbled, and I kind of had like a direction where they were. So I walked up, and I had one out at 23 yards. I drew back and put an absolute perfect shot on it. Here's the arrow actually that I took that turkey out with. I still got feathers and stuff on it. But I mean, this is actually an arrow that I made. I bought Axis 5mm and then just put the flexions on, inserts on them. And yeah, I went from there, but I'm hoping to get some more next year. Hoping to try to get some videos for you guys. And yeah, stay tuned for the video. Hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you guys there. Thank you. Second story was on a little farm of mine. I went out.
Oh my god.
Alright guys, I'm here to talk to you guys about my bow hunting experience this year. Alright guys, I'm here to talk to you guys about my experiences for bow hunting this year for turkey. It has been very challenging for me, but I was fortunate enough to get 2 birds down this year with the bow. There were 2 jakes, but the stories I have behind them are miracles, and then just stuff that really just makes me happy. Alright guys, I'm going to talk to you guys about my bow hunting experiences for turkey this year. It has just been a den of been.
3, 2.
Alright guys, I'm here to talk to you guys about my bow hunting experience on turkey. I'm a new turkey hunting, like, archer.
This is actually
But, I mean, I've had... Dude, scalp, bro. Here, and I'm a very new bow hunting turkey guy. Challenging, but I was managed enough to
Oh my god.
went down with the bow. But I mean, you look back up a little bit. See, this year, I had been lucky enough and managed enough to take one down with the bow. We had. Alright, guys. What's going on, guys? I'm here to talk to you guys about my turkey hunting. What's going on, guys? Oh, yeah. What's going on, guys? Yo. What's going on, guys? Dude.